your host Naveed Anjum. Welcome back to our channel Sayyid Arif and Naveed. So, if you are a beginner in Japanese language and want to learn Japanese, and for example, if you come up with a Japanese foreigner in your country, or if you visit Japan for the first time and you don't know how to communicate with the Japanese people and how to introduce yourself to them, so I will tell you in this lecture the very basic thing that how to introduce yourself. So first of all, what is the introduction actually? It's about yourself, that what is your name and who am I. So if you want to introduce the Japanese people that who are you and what is your name, so let me take you to my very simple and easy lecture. Come on. So first of all, I will tell you that I am Naveed. For example, my name is Naveed, so I will say I am Naveed. So in Japanese, I have to say Watashi wa Naveed desu. How? This is a very simple formula. For example, I means me. So for me and I, in Japanese, they used to say Watashi wa. Watashi means me, I, okay? And wa is used for expression, because I am expressing myself that I am Naveed. So I will say Watashi wa means I or me, okay? So moving further, I will tell Naveed, okay? So what is my name? Naveed. Okay, so Watashi wa Naveed desu. This means am, okay? It's the second form of, you can say, is, okay? So this, you may read it desu. It's not actually desu. In Japanese, they used to write as it is, but they pronunciate as desu. Watashi wa, I, me means I, Naveed desu. Watashi wa Naveed desu. I am Naveed. Very simple formula, you can simply say. And if you don't want to express that I am Naveed, or I am Flippo, or I am Abed, if you just want to say that my name is Naveed, okay? If you want to say that my name is George, my name is Flippo, so what you have to simply say, you just have to change a bit. How? You have to just slightly move. How? Like, this was, I used to say that Watashi wa. But if you're going to address that my name, you're going to address this subject that my name. This is the subject now, name. So what you have to say is Watashi no. Watashi no means my. Okay, so for I use say Watashi wa, okay, but for my, because I'm going to say my name is Naveed, so for my, I will be using Watashi no, okay, and how the Japanese used to say name in Japanese language, it's namae wa. Namae means name, okay, so my name, Watashi no. Namae wa means name, my name, and this is Naveed, again my name. Whatever your name is it Flippo or George or whatever your name is, you just have to change it. So Naveed, and this is again the same thing, this means is. Here I use this this as am, and here in this and while addressing, we have to just say that this is used for this. Okay, so how you are going to say that my name is Naveed? You have to say Watashi no namae wa Naveed desu. That my name is Naveed. Watashi no namae wa Naveed desu. There are two simple things, like if you are going to express that who you are, I am Naveed, you have to simply say Watashi wa Naveed desu. Okay, but in if you are going to not express, if you are just going to address, what you have to say is watashi no namae wa Navid desu. One thing I just want to highlight that in Japanese language actually with the name you just have to simply add O at the last. For example, my name is Navid. I have to say Navido, Abedo, Filippo O, George, Joe. So in Japanese it's their term that how they pronounce it. So they just add O at the end. So I have to say that Watashi wa Nabido desu. So I think that this lecture will be very useful for you if you are beginner to Japanese language, and if you come up with some Japanese foreigner, or if you visit Japan for the first time, you have to introduce yourself to the Japanese people, that who you are, what is your name, and where you belong to. So I am hopeful that this lecture will be very much helpful, and if you want to get to know more about the Japanese language, please subscribe to our channel so that you can get more videos related to this Japanese language. See you in our next video. Take care.